Why do the rich pay less taxes while employees pay the most? Is the system unfair, or do the rich simply know the rules better? This is part 4 of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and today we talk about taxes and corporations. The history of taxes. Rich Dad explains something shocking. Income tax was originally created to punish the rich, but over time, the government needed more money, so taxes slowly moved from the rich to the middle class. Today, employees pay taxes first, then they spend what is left. Employee versus business owner. Here is the big difference. Employees earn, pay tax, spend. Business owners earn, spend, pay tax. This small difference changes everything. The rich use companies to legally reduce taxes. Power of corporations. What is a corporation? It is simply a legal structure that protects and benefits business owners. Corporations can deduct expenses, buy assets, reduce taxable income. Employees cannot do this easily. That is why financial education is important. The problem. Most people are taught, work hard, get a job, stay safe. But no one teaches how money works, how taxes work, how businesses work. Rich Dad says the rich don't break the rules, they learn the rules. The lesson. If you want financial freedom, don't only depend on salary. Learn about investing, business, assets, tax systems. Knowledge reduces risk. Ignorance increases fear. The system is not against you, but it rewards those who understand it. The poor and middle class work for money. The rich build systems that work for them. If this lesson opened your eyes, comment Part 5 and subscribe for the next powerful chapter, because in Part 5, we talk about overcoming fear and taking financial action.